if you just launched Wifite and you're seeing the message saying skipping PMKID feature, missing required tools, hcxdumptool and hcxpcapngtool. A lot of people see this and immediately think Wifite is broken or something went wrong with Kali Linux. But that's actually not what's happening. This warning simply means Wifite relies on a couple of additional packages called hcxdumptool and hcxtools, and they aren't installed on your system yet. Since those required packages are missing, Wifite skips that feature and shows you this warning instead. The good news is the fix is really easy and only takes about a minute. So let's get this fixed. Open up your terminal and run the first command, sudo apt update. This refreshes Kali's package list, and make sure you're downloading the latest available packages from the official repositories. Once that's finished, run the second command, sudo apt install hcxtools. Then give it a moment while it downloads and installs everything automatically. Once the installation is complete, close Wifite if it's already open and launch it again. This time, the missing hcxdumptool and hcxpcapngtool warning should be gone because Wifite can now detect the required packages correctly. If you're still seeing the same warning after installing everything, double check that the installation completed without any errors. Sometimes an interrupted update or a package installation problem can prevent the required tools from being installed correctly, so it's always worth checking your terminal output before opening Wifite again. Also keep in mind this video only fixes the missing required tools warning. If you're seeing a different issue like a UTF-8 codec error, Python errors, or your wireless adapter isn't being detected, those are separate problems and I'll be covering those in future troubleshooting videos. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe.